Hello viewers, this is a System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enhance your security on the web in Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enhance your security on the web in Microsoft Edge browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, click on Settings. Now click on Privacy, Search and Services. Under Tracking Prevention, enable the Tracking Prevention and select Restrict. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option Enhance your security on the web. By default it's turned off. Turn on this mode to browse the web more securely and help protect your browser from malware. Now click here to turn it on and select Restrict. If you select Restrict, it will add security mechanisms for all sites. Parts of sites might not work and block security threats. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.